Okay, here is the design that I have made of the modifications on the shelves. This is a pantry with roll-out shelves in it. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. 36 wide, 90 high, depending on the ceiling height. I don't know what your ceiling height is, and these are measurements based on a set of plans you sent me, so it would be good to know what the measurements will be. But I'll work you through the design anyways. Wall cabinet here, window, trash pull-out, double trash pull-out, I believe. Let's see. Yep. This would be a double trash pull-out with a drawer on top. Sink base, I think this is a 36 wide. Let's check. Yep, 36 wide sink base, which is the most common. Dishwasher, bank of 4 drawers on either side of the stove, dedicated vent for the stove. These are again floating shelves on either side of the stove. Super Lazy Susan in the corner, easy reach in the corner, crown molding going to the ceiling, wall cabinet, base cabinet with 3 drawers, refrigerator with 2 panels on either side and a cabinet above. See the wainscot, you can see the crown molding. Island, I'll quote optional, but I had a microwave in there. You said something about all drawers, but that's what we got, all drawers except for where the microwave goes. And I've got 2 straight posts holding up countertop. You see there's a countertop overhang here, 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 and it goes all the way across to here, right there. And then I've got just 1/4-inch panel finishing off the sides of this island, the 3 sides of the island. Let me know if this is what you'd like me to quote up.